Check, instruments screen, airspeed alive. Traffic right there. Do you think it's VFR out there? That's where we are headed. I think as you get close, see. You turn around.
And Sirius Fox Air 11, disregard your previous, continue with right traffic for runway 17 right.
Continue with the right traffic for 17 right, 235 Lima.
So there's some 8,000s in there.
Cessna 6 Bravo, left turn out approved, runway 17 left, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, where is Hoover Dam? To the right, I think. This right here. Okay.
Aircraft calling Henderson, go ahead.
Las Vegas, Skyline 8050 Juliet is over Lake Mead. We are headed to the Grand Canyon. Request VFR flight following if able. It will be 125.47. Skyline 8050 Juliet is a Cessna 182 over Lake Mead at 6.3.
8050 Juliet.
We're headed to the Grand Canyon. Request VFR flight following if able at 9.5.
And you want a Grand Canyon or Grand Canyon West 1Z4?
Actually going to do the VFR tour into Grand Canyon. And then 50 Juliet will head towards Sedona.